guys come up right behind her. Get that water behind her. Yep.
For your safety and enjoyment during the concert, please remain seated. Hold on to your lap bar and do not try to twist, rock, or grab onto any other swings at any time. And be sure to watch your children. Once we are given the all clear from our conductor, the concert will begin. Tornado has passed and our concert is ending. Stay seated until your silly symphony swing comes to a complete stop. Then lift the lap bar, collect your belongings, and walk to the nearest exit. We hope you'll come swing again soon with our silly symphony. For your safety and to fully appreciate our concert, please remove all loose items.